Now, shocking case of sexual assault has emerged from the national capital, where a minor girl was found unconscious, stuffed in a suitcase in Delhi's Nehru Vihar and later declared brought dead at the JPC hospital. Now, doctors suspect that the visible facial injuries and sexual assault, and the case has been registered under the POCSO Act. Now, protests have broken out in Nehru Vihar, where agitated residents have taken to the streets against this tragic incident. On the broadcast, I'm joined by my colleague Anushka to get us more details. Anushka, the suspect has been apprehended. What further details do we have of the accused so far?
That's right, Priyanka. Right now, what we are understanding and what the Delhi police has been saying is that the suspect, whose name is Naushad, was living, on the second floor of this particular building. He is absconding after, the incident has taken place. We'll quickly show you the visuals also of the place where he used to live. On the second floor of this building, the incident took place yesterday. It is the crime scene. What we do understand by now, and according to the mother of the minor girl, what we understand by now is that she had left her house to give ice cubes to her relative. After that, she did not, come back to her house, after which the parents started looking for her. Some neighbors had confirmed that she had, she went inside this building. When the parents came here, they saw a lock that was put in place outside the gate of the residence, but they had broken the gate and entered the house, after which they found that the little minor girl was stuffed inside a suitcase and was unconscious inside. Immediately, police PCR call was made. After that, she was taken to the hospital, where she was declared dead. The doctors confirmed that this is a case of sexual assault, and after that, we are seeing that the multiple police team are right now looking for the accused who has been absconding after the incident took place. We'll once again quickly show you the visuals. All the residents of this particular area are quite agitated and are shocked after the horrifying incident took place yesterday. They are saying that that they want justice. The accused should be apprehended immediately. Strict action should be taken against him. We are seeing that the police has in fact cordoned off the area. The whole house has in fact been cordoned off. People who are in fact outside are protesting and are saying that this incident is quite shocking, and they do not feel safe after this incident has taken place. They want immediate justice that should be delivered on this particular issue. Over to you.
Thanks, Anushka, for getting us all these details. Let's listen in also to what the DCP had to say on this sexual assault.
Yesterday, at late evening, 8:41 p.m., a PCR call was received about a minor girl being found unconscious inside a suitcase in Nehru Vihar area of PS Police Station, Dayalpur. Accordingly, police teams reached at the spot. However, in the meanwhile, family members of the girl have taken her to JPC hospital. Another team reached JPC hospital, wherein the doctors had declared her dead and have also reported about a sexual assault. Afterwards, on complaint of the family members, an FIR has been registered in appropriate sections of BNS and POCSO. An investigation has been taken up.